Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. In this video I will show you step by step how I painted this beautiful artwork on canvas using acrylic paint. So here is the artwork on canvas, and before sketching it I have prepped the canvas pretty well. I have used Brustro Gesso last night, and once it's dried today morning, and then I have sketched a design on top of it. For coloring I'm using Brustro artist colors, and then everything will be listed down below for you, the brushes, paint, everything, so you can have a look at the supplies. So I'm starting with the canvas base. I wanted a very transparent background, not too transparent, but yes, gradients of white and blue. So I have worked accordingly in horizontal way, and this is how it looks once it's all dry, and I'll cover the edges as well. So for the artwork I have chosen majority of shades which come in pink and red. So here I'm doing the hat with a lightest shade of pink using crimson red, or I think it was a different red. I will mention it in the description so you can have a look, and mixed with white, so it's matching the outfit and hat both. I have been working on multiple mini canvases, and I have prepared courses for the canvases. If you want to learn in depth about how I mix the colors and which all brand I use and how I design the artwork and how I prep the canvas, the courses will be listed on Skillshare, and I will update you guys very soon in my next video about the courses. So if you want to learn from scratch, you can check out the courses I have on Skillshare, and also you can follow me on Instagram to stay updated about the course. So here I'm doing the second shade for the t-shirt, and I'm adding some darker shade of pink to create that contrasting effect on the hat and on the edges both. And now I'm doing the skin color. I will mention everything about this artwork or about my upcoming artworks on Skillshare in the course, and I will also provide the material, the resources to know more in detail about acrylic painting, the way I do it, and how I prepare everything for painting. So I'm using a fine liner detailer brush for making these horizontal lines, and this is from a local brand. I got it from Amazon. I will link it down below so you can have a look. I'm adding some shades in the hair to make it look nice and even, and now I will be doing the outlining using the finest liner detailer brush. This comes in a set. I will link that below as well so you can check it out. And I'm using cobalt black acrylic paint from Brustro Acrylic for the lining part, and I will also be lining the stripes I have done on the t-shirt so it looks even and nice. You can also do the like in this artwork I've done the background first and then the artwork. You can also do vice versa. It depends on what kind of background you're looking for. So I will cover everything in my course because I'm working on that, on different kind of artworks. They are very simple and easy to do. Just like this one, it's a mini 4x4 inches canvas. So it's very beautiful and nice, such a nice gift, or this artwork you can do on your bookmark or any kind of study material you have. So it's very simple to make. I hope you're enjoying the video. And I'm just lining the stripes to make it look more prominent, and you can try to make this one, and you can use any color you want. I wanted to choose pink. So this is how it looked, guys. I hope you like it. Stay tuned. Thank you.